Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics. Check Windows 11 build and the Realtek driver version so you know compatibility. Once done, plug your speakers or headphones into the correct jack and try alternate ports to rule out hardware. Now open Device Manager and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. This reveals Realtek or high-definition audio entries. Make sure you run Device Manager as admin so changes apply. These initial checks save time and pinpoint whether software fixes are needed. Next, update or reinstall the Realtek driver because corrupted drivers are the most common cause. Right-click the audio device, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer and let me pick to select the correct driver. If that fails, uninstall the device and check Delete the driver software for this device, then reboot. Windows will attempt a clean reinstall. Make sure to try the OEM Realtek package from your PC maker if the generic driver from Microsoft doesn't restore audio. To finish, set the correct default playback device and disable audio enhancements because these can conflict with Realtek processing. Once done, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter and restart the Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services to refresh the stack. If sound still fails, use a recent system restore point or install the vendor-specific Realtek driver. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a USB audio device. If USB audio works, the issue is tied to the onboard Realtek hardware or driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.